If you take the Fayette exit off the Natchez Trace and go west instead of east toward town, in a few miles you run up on the Church Hill community. And the first thing you see when you round that last bend is Christ Episcopal Church, up there on a hill. This is the first thing movie maker Tate Taylor saw when he came here, roaming the back roads of Mississippi several years ago. Well, now Tate's a member of the community and a member of the church, along with several other people in the area. And they just finished an ambitious, years-long restoration of the church. Decades of weathering was repaired outside, and recently, years of remodeling was stripped away inside until anyone who came to this church back in 1857, when it was new, would feel right at home here now, because this is what it looked like then. Tate tells the story better than I do.
This church has not had anything done to it since 1941. That was the last time in the minutes of the vestry that any remodeling was done, so it was high time. So over the last year, we have, Pearl River Glass, restored our stained glass windows, and with meticulous excavation and forensic work, we figured out the paints and the stains on the floors, and we just completed the restoration of the church.
Restoration calls for lots of skill and a little bit of serendipity.
Yeah, there was a lot of opinions about what color these walls should be painted, because there was just flaky pink residue on the walls, so people assumed that it was in the pink family. We had to remove some molding that was added later, probably in 1941, and behind that molding was this exact color that we realized was what was used in the beginning.
So Christ Church is restored to original. Of course, it may be too original, however. One modern amenity is yet to be installed.
Well, you're never really through. We still have to add lighting. There's never been lights in this church. And then the graveyard needs a lot of attention. So there's still money to be raised.
So the work goes on, as does the fundraising, as the revival of Christ Church and Church Hill continues.